Alright, let's get this show on the road. Welcome back, gamers, to another rousing episode of At the Ends of Eras being made to this stream. I'm your host, the games being made guy. So, yesterday, what were we doing? We were doing, test schedule stuff. And I got done with making characters able to walk from place to place and follow the player and stop walking when you're talking to them. And it all seems to work. I didn't test it very extensively though. And I'm not going to, because what we're going to do today is resume the Monkey Mouse quest. Beloved Monkey Mouse. Well, the sad story of a weird guy who talks to fictional cartoons in a memory-scanning machine. Okay. Oh. Why is this controller not plugged in? Oh, whatever. Let's teleport to 124. No clip. Actually, 112 would have been closer. Oh well. Not that much closer. Okay, so do I have things activated here? I think I need to activate this. Item capacitor. Video game is active. Okay, that's all good. And then we need to advance like 2 days in game to make the whatever it is do what it does. Let's use the guy here. Okay, so he should be here soon. Oh wait. We'll just cheat, make myself sleepy. Now, is he here? He's not here. Why is he not here? So, what is the current day? Isn't that in here? Now, because we have clock time. Why is that in here? So yeah, shouldn't it be like global stat current day? What? What is going on? I bet you actually it's let's go to the world script. So when we sleep, let's go to the player. So like, go to sleep. Okay, so get tree current scene sleep. So that should be in this world script. Set time, get time plus hours false, so P ignored day. So what this should do if seconds is less than current time, basically this means that we're going backwards or like we've gone across the border of the day. I guess? Yeah, so this should never be 0. Or never less than 0. So we're never, like, advancing backwards through the animation. We're always playing it forward. I think the issue is if we... Oh wait, no. When we set the time here, it should advance it. Oh, maybe it's because I'm advancing it more than 24 hours? Okay, because we do have advanced time here. I mean, I'll try this. Just to see what I'm missing here. How do I, like... There we go. So I think it's because I'm doing exactly 24 hours. Where's the advanced time being done? Like... But is this never used anywhere? Wait, what the hell? Sleep. Hours. Why doesn't this just do advanced time? Does this not advance the time? Where is this? I think this just doesn't do the right thing. Hang on. So, like, go to sleep. Unload all set time. So why is this... Why am I doing this? Advance time. Okay, so that was one of the issues, at least. So this would be if I advance by I guess it must be if I advance by exactly 24 hours it doesn't do that. Basically, the day was not actually being incremented properly, so it'll still consider us to be on our first day of the journey. There's so many things where it's just like, it's been broken the whole time. I guess if I had more time to test things, yeah. So let's try exactly 24 hours. Okay. Now it'll advance by a day, if I do that. So if we did global stats current day, it should be 1 now. Okay. And then let's try if I did like 23 hours. So now we're not directly advancing it. And this should be also... So 3 days of travel, so that should be 2. Okay. So that probably fixes all the bugs with the time. I'm sure there's no other bugs. Okay, also I should get my text editor out. Right, because I started working on a script for a comic. Because I was working on one comic, and then I stumbled upon an idea that I'd had several years ago that is now mostly irrelevant, but I've had a much cooler variation of it. So now I kind of want to do it. But okay, whatever. Oh wait. Git commit am. Fix not, or day not advancing from sleep. Okay, because now he does this. Yeah. So let's make sure that he works, because basically this old man asks you if you can lead him to the, or like show him how to use the medium. So it's like, okay, I'll show you. In fact, he should probably just walk into the medium himself, rather than me having to do it for him. But basically then, he sits, great. This is the placeholder for the placeholder, as I called it. Because eventually it'll be an actual, like, creature, and this will be an actual, like, world in here, or, like, environment of some sort. Okay, and then we leave to respect his privacy, and then somehow... What is this? Invalid get speed on base... Where are we? NPC old guy. How did he move from place to place if this speed node didn't exist? Hang on. Then, like, how did this work? It's been using this for this whole time. Oh wait, hang on. I see. One of the things is, oh wait, no. This should work correctly. Okay, I don't understand how this has been working as it has. So does this not have a speed anywhere? Oh, okay, I see. It's here, and then it does this. So we don't need this here, because of what I can do instead is, well, first of all, I should move all of this stuff into the following stuff. So, like, if target node is player body, speed should have this. Because I had a bunch of code that was, like, split out from these two. Okay. So the player velocity is this. Let's also make sure that moving away is here as well. So, well... Yeah, we don't need that right now. Yeah, we just need to manage the state stuff. The movement, like the details of the movement, can be managed here as, like, this moving away. So PV, so player, so this is going to be target node dot velocity now. Sign value doesn't have a type. Yes, it does. And then our speed here will be the max of kb.length times 1.2 nav speed. So this should actually be after this. Oh wait, we already have this. Yeah, we literally have the velocity in here. Do we even... I don't think we need any of this. Let's just remove that. Because, yeah, this smoothly does that. Yeah, this is why I should have velocity, like, all in the same place. Because I think we don't do anything more with like manipulating the speed here. Okay. I don't know why this function only threw an error now, but because like he was following us just fine when he was actually following us. But what is happening? Is the game is crashed? Game don't work. Is like, is it in here somewhere? I'll just, whatever. Let's just start it again. I don't know what I did. I'll assume that I didn't do anything, and Godot is just acting up. Oh yeah, also I should probably address the fact that I'm an hour and a half late. I think I'm just getting less motivated. Man, the game is all fucked up. Hang on. What is the profiler doing here? Like, have we had... I don't think we've even had a frame yet. Yeah, we haven't even had... Okay. It's like 3 seconds per frame. So that's an issue. Like, is it a script? No, our scripts are fine. No, it's just taking 3 seconds per frame for no reason. Oh, it's this bug again. Okay, this is a fun one. Where some shader isn't compiled correctly. So it takes up half the screen. This time, though, it's interesting because it's taking up the top half. It used to take up the left half. So we've gotten something new. And so this will just go away on its own, but it'll make the game just completely unacceptable to play. And it will never go away unless I, like, move to a different location, and then at random it'll just stop being an issue. So yeah, fun little thing. Okay, and now it's okay. Yeah, now we're back to, 100 FPS. Okay, so let's save and quit, and we will reproduce this bug by simply starting the game again. And this is having changed nothing. Well, having changed only that one script, like, function, where actually all I did was just delete that invalid code since the timer is working. So now it's going to take, another 35 seconds for it to load up again. Yeah, we can see a lovely 2024 millisecond frame time. You know, 4 frames every 10 seconds isn't that bad. But now we're getting up into, 4,000 milliseconds. So, that's going to be 2.5 frames every 10 seconds. That's going to be kind of pushing it, I think. I don't know if that'll get console certified. And we can see, even though the fact that the shaders are allegedly supposed to be cached, this object here is still being loaded in. And I'm glad to see that it's not, like, dependent on a specific scene, where I tore apart half the entire scene of one of the chunks to see, like, what was causing it. So I'm glad to see it was just straight up, like, unrelated to the actual content of the game. And that this is just a thing that happens. I wonder if it's too late to port the game to Unity. Well, realistically, I could try doing Godot 4. Didn't I help him already? Oh, did the game, like, crash when... Oh, yeah, the game crashed. before he, like, could finish his quest last time. I guess. Okay. Then we got funny lion. And then game worked, except for the fact that he's not standing. Or, okay. So we need to, like, stop him from following us now. I guess we set him to idle. Let's go to the old man. Like, what do we do with the brain? Isn't there like a temp dismiss or something? Sit at medium. So let's do like brain dot temp dismiss. Maybe it's dismiss temp. Yeah. Okay, so this should remove him from there and set our dialogue there. Okay. I mean, I don't know why he was working before. I clearly had no, like, place where I set him to stop following us. But okay. Let's just start a new game. We've now solved, like, 2.5 bugs so far. I think this is pretty progressive, or pretty, good progress for the first 20 minutes. Entities, NPC. What did I even change? Oh. Remove invalid and unused code. Oh yeah, speaking of invalid and unused code, my work has been having a AI like PR assistance, like Copilot or something, like assisting with PRs, and 2 out of 2 times now, it's given me it's like asked me to address a problem that didn't exist and gave me code that doesn't compile. So it's a strong start for the AI, I think. I'm glad that this will, you know, cut my salary in half in the next 5 years. But at least the rent will keep going up. Alright, so let's do global.get free .current scene .advance time 48. Current day. Okay, I guess. Oh, it's because let's do like 2 hours or an hour. Why is the old guy not here? Old guy. It's supposed to be here. And you know what? Let's also sleep until, like, 6 a.m. Okay. There. Sure. I'll help you. Okay, so the problem was he wasn't sleeping. Oh yeah, and I just realized I could have just loaded the game, because I have a save slot called MM. Oh well, whatever. Okay, so now he should just... Okay, so he's still in there. And then let's... Oh, right. There's little stories that sometimes show up when you pause. They're like jump scares. But I think it's a neat idea, but it also means that whenever I'm trying to do something, it'll interrupt me. And also, I'm not sure about the whole angle of the stories. Because there's only 2 of them so far. Okay, let's do the 45-second, like, wait for the game to fucking render. Because Godot is a tool for making video games. Let's see what it's doing. I don't even know what it's doing. Like, why would it be... Whatever. I think it's something to do with the shader compilation, where, like, one of the, like, quote-unquote Uber shaders is just corrupted or something, and it, like, makes this massive bloated mess that renders, like, halfway, you know, renders half the screen, like, 5 billion times in overdraw. But in a creative twist, because of the way that the, this hologram renders in, we can only see the faint fact... Okay, whatever. I love Godot. But okay. Still using the medium. Get Mirror's attention. So basically, right now when you call out to him, Monkey Mouse will come up to you and shoo you away. Okay. So now what I want to do is have the ability to basically create some sort of final confrontation. Did I actually ever figure out what I was going to do with that? Okay, let's eavesdrop again. Okay. So, basically, once the player's done the second eavesdrop, they can then come out here. Oh, right. There's like a billion conversations, so we'll just do that. Okay. Oh yeah, so this one, I think this is fun. But let's ask the important question. Can it be sued for copyright infringement? Can the medium be sued? It doesn't have money, so I don't have money either. Okay, so let's use a note. Who is Willow? Okay. So we got this conversation with Armstrong, where basically we're asking about this voice that the medium mentioned, Willow, and Armstrong is directing us to the older guy in town, the shopkeeper, who might actually have known Old Mir before he became Old Mir. Also, why am I still able to walk? Like, there's literally functions in the game to, like, not make me walk into walls. Like, where the walking animation is based on the velocity. Like, you can even see the fact that she goes into, like, a slow walk. She should just not be walking. I hate video games. Oh, well. Eventually, I'm gonna do, like, I think for March, for, like, the vertical slice, I'm gonna completely rework the movement for, like, the 15th time. Okay. Who is Willow? Okay, so basically he says that something happened a while ago where Oldmere isn't as social as he used to be. That's an avenue that I'm thinking could lead us somewhere. Like, is something specific important? So he's currently in the medium. Okay, so he encourages us to ask him specifically. So what can you tell me about Oldmere? So eventually I want some more questions here, but basically the whole point of this from Jackie's perspective is she wants to get Oldmere off the medium so she can use it again, because he's going to be there forever, basically. Alright. What does he did mean? Oh. I should probably have that be in context. Let's go to... I should probably rename this, but I won't yet. Landlord... No, not landlord. Oldmere. Do minus Oldmere. Or no, well... Yeah, this is fair. Basically, this minus sign means that once we hit this back, it'll automatically forget about all this stuff. Okay. Okay. Why is Jackie, like, oily? I guess it must be the reflection probe. Why is she so reflective, though? Specifically in this spot. Ah, whatever. I'll just put it on the list. Jackie looks oily in the shopkeeper's room. And we'll just put chunk 112 visual. Okay, so what does it do now? I'm sure I put... Oh, wait, no. I put a like, a debug note that the player can use. So let's see what he does here. So use a note. Who is Willow? Okay. So who is Willow? Oh wait, let's go to side content. Monkey mouse, where is that? Blocker. So let's do this. Mention mouse, or like mention approach. And then we'll have not mentioned approach. Then, like, the mouse comes closer. Mention approach. Okay. What exactly is happening here? What exactly do I want from this? Because yeah, I think it should become clear that Mirror kind of doesn't want to be in here. He just feels sort of like trapped now. And then... I don't know. Admittedly, I do know where I want this quest to go. I just don't want to write it on stream. But oh well. Let's power through. What exactly is happening in here? Mira and I are having fun. What's it to you? I don't know. I've got a bad feeling about you, or something like that. Okay. So, mouse bouncer. I mean, I don't know where this is. Well... You know what, I'll just do for now, like, add notes, gamer, something important, mouse. I'll just check if this actually physically works, and then I'll do something else for the day. Because I'm not feeling it. Admittedly, I've not been feeling a lot of things lately. He doesn't need to run. Why is he running? So start at medium port. Travel to, get node home. False. Hang on. Go to, let's do running equals true. Then running through. And the navigation, where's the nav done? Jeez. Wait, I don't think I actually need this here. I think I actually just need it. I can do like nav.running equals running. And so when we do follow, Okay. Because I think when we set the state, that's when we do running right now. Yeah. So for now, that's not going to be there. That's going to be when we set the state to follow. And then by default, we'll just have it set to true for all of the other, like, navigation stuff. Okay. Let's see this in action now. Because, yeah, I got plenty of other things that I can work on if I'm not gonna deal with this. Okay, but I do need to... Oh, wait. I can just load game. MM. Okay. Yeah. We'll get him up here. And then I think all I need to do is just note the... Add that, like, debug note. So, notes... Gamer... Something important. And, mouse. Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Global add notes. Okay, let's see how he works now. Wait, why am I... Oh, I see. His area is still active because... Why is that active? Okay. Because this is supposed to have... Like, it's supposed to be disabled once we get here. Wait, but I see that this... When does this dialogue area, like, get deleted? I guess we can just do, like here. Dialogue area dot queue free, even. And we'll do that up here as well. Else... Well, let's do, like, collision mask equals 0. But also I need to use the bathroom. I'll be back in a minute. My usual etiquette of using the bathroom 40 minutes into a stream. I've returned. Okay, so let's see if this works. Actually, let's just set this... What should I do? Let's just do function like set collision, or... yeah, set dialogue enabled. Enabled. Cool. And then this will be like... what the hell did I call it? Set dialogue... okay, whatever. This will be 2 if enabled, else 0. Okay, so set dialogue trigger true, else set dialogue trigger false. And then here we'll have this, and we should also have that for leaving the medium, even though those should both be handled by that, but okay. And we should have this as... oh wait, no. Set at medium already does this now. Okay, so now this should be good. Hey, look at that. And it, you know, the slow startup fixed itself as well. Okay, so then let's do this. Oh wait, no. I keep forgetting. I can just do this. Why is he not? There we go. I think it was just that I was already in the area. Or that I was in the air or something. So that way I could just walk up to him. Okay. And then we'll do this again. Add notes, gamer, something important. And we'll make sure that all of this works. And then let's make sure that his dialogue is not janky. Okay, and we can also talk to him while he's walking, and he'll just walk fine. They do have sort of a strut that's kind of like unfitting of him, but that's okay. Another thing that'll be like vertical slice material. Because I think... because the way that I set up these deadlines is basically November 30th is like the story should be in a state where like I can see the overall picture, and I kind of can. But yeah, everything that's actually important needs to be done off screen or off stream. So I might just have to take the entirety of November off and just do all of that work. But oh well. Let's go through, like... so these honestly are not that important. Wait, make sure methods and signals have unambiguous names. I mean, that would be good. So if player can't take damage in dialogue, make sure animations don't freeze him in place. Yeah, in this one, I have like a series of fixes for it, or like hacks to fix around it. Git add dot. This quest needs finishing, but I don't want to do it today, so let's, you know what, I'll even commit to changing the title. Bug fix is Okay, so what are the bugs that I have? We got a billion of them. So sometimes the game just starts up as a slideshow. Hey, that's the one that we were just seeing, where the half the screen turns white. Jackie has a visible seam on the back of her neck. I don't even remember where it was. So I think this one is now fixed. Let's double check this quest. It'll be nice to eventually play through the game without, like, obvious bugs or crashes that I have to fix while I'm playing that potentially introduce other bugs that I will then only notice the next time I play through it. So let's just play this quest mostly straight. Oh, and I was thinking, I mentioned it last time, that I kind of want to do something different with the day-night cycle. Oh, wait. Okay. So, not quite there. Okay. The guards slide around. So this is junk 012. Great to see right out the gate. That's a good sign. Alright, the other thing that I should do is make sure that the other NPCs still work for the Dress Warm for Time Stop quest. Well, I won't do that yet. Let's first find some other security guards and get arrested. So if I just talk to this guy enough... Okay. Basically, there's like a hidden suspicion stat, and as you interact with more people in town, you get suspicion. And eventually you'll get arrested as part of a larger case that they're investigating of disappearances. Okay, so a single day. Eventually this needs to be an actual item the player can have, because they have a ticket from a train. In fact, let's just put that in, like, fixes of, like, quests, major quests, nightlight, fixes. I'd like the ticket to be a real item you use to prove when you arrived. So I came here to see the medium in Vishar, missing people. Okay. You wait and wait. Feels like hours. Okay. So I can leave now. And then find it hard to believe all that stuff. Okay. And now he walks around, and he should have a patrol. The nav meshes still need some tuning again. Yeah, I might want to just do what I was saying before, where I just manually place invisible colliders that are only used by the nav mesh generator. Oh, interesting. I also have this, what? Wait, okay, I see. There's just a little corner here that's not quite navigable. Yeah, I want to fix that at some point and have the player able to go upstairs, like real, honest-to-God stairs. Oh yeah, and this. How do we fix this? Because, yeah, we don't want to be able to talk to Balter here. Oh, wait, why does this happen? Oh, I see. It redoes his schedule. So it's like, oh, okay, you have to walk to your home. I mean, I guess that's fine. Especially since we're not going... Well... Let's talk to another NPC in town that has, like, a store and see how they fare. Because basically, all the NPCs operate on a schedule. And it seems like how the schedule works right now is when you're done talking to them, it reruns the last action that you need. So let's see what happens for this guy. I'll see what you have. Oh yeah, I don't have that. So we have that. So take care. Okay, so he's fine. But for some reason, Balter doesn't like his stuff. Maybe it's something to do with the follower brain taking over. Maybe it does something different. Let's go to the follower function resume. Okay, so if schedule and metastate not equal state.this, schedule.resume. That seems fine. Because schedule.resume then does start, check updates, nav.resume. In fact, we could just do that. Let's see, it's basically like an open world adventure game, kind of. The main gimmick is using items and journal notes in dialogue to get different branches. So like for this character I could do, well, I can't do any of them, and you can tell because there's no indicator over here. But like if I go to these characters somewhere, I know, let's actually check this quest by setting the time to 2 in the morning. So that way I can see all the interesting things. Oh, the stars took their sweet time coming out. But okay, so we found the suspicious lantern. And then we should be able to find Balter around here somewhere. Because he's the important NPC in this. Where is he going to be, actually, at this time of night? Okay, and also guards are jittering around. Yeah, there's jumping and climbing mechanics. The jumping is heavily inspired by Jak and Daxter, so that's the things like the crouch jump, roll jump, spin kick, lunge kick, stuff like that. And then there's also a climb. And it's more limited than something like Breath of the Wild, but it gives you a little bit more verticality. But okay, I'm also going to see... bugs, guards, jitter, and rotates in place. So this is another navigation thing. Yeah, this quest has the major flaw of you have to now find the guy in the dead of night. Also, there really is something wrong with my day-night cycle. Like, it's... What time is it? Yeah, this doesn't feel right for 2:42 a.m. But okay, where the heck is this guy? He needs like a lantern or something. In fact, why don't I just put a light on him? For the sake of, like, my own sanity. Okay, where's Balter? I think this one will have an Omni-Light. It'll be like, something like this. Okay, let's see if I can find him. I think I see him? No. Oh, there he is. He's paused in the middle of his walking pose. I love video games. I love how all my video games are broken. But okay, get out of here on my night patrol. So now I can actually use the note here. There's a street lamp in the city with a green light. And that's how you actually, like, indicate to this guy. Hang on. Why did this happen? Okay, who are we? NPC Bolter / scheduled. Okay, I think that's just a bug. Oh yeah, and let's also put that in the bug list as well. So we have, like, navigation. Oh right, there's no start routine function anymore. Wait, what does it do in the dialogue then? Hang on, that would be Major Quests, Nightlight, Balter. I think we don't do anything special anymore. I guess we just do brain resume? Okay, and maybe that'll work. Oh wait, no. That goes there. This goes here. NPCs pause, or like don't end their walking animation upon reaching goal. Okay, so at the very least now, he is not broken. Or it doesn't crash immediately on startup. So let's see if he's actually, like, moving around. Because he should be basically where we last talked to him. He was supposed to be, like, right here, I think. Because where else would he be? He would be at that stairway, I think. Or this one over here. Where is he? Okay. He's still in a place. Okay, so now we can talk to him. And also, I should have, when we do the green lantern, or green street lamp, this should be somewhere in here. It should be an exit. Oh wait, no. So notes. So we have those. Okay, green lamp. So here we do an exit. And I think if I actually, like, let's see if my advanced hot reloading code technology actually works. So if I force reload the code, And then we use a node. Okay, he actually, like, follows us now. And then he can, like, you know, try to figure out how to get up to here. Where is he? I think I got a little too far ahead of him. Oh, there he is. Oh, and it doesn't work. Okay. When does this thing turn on? Okay. Why is this here? Okay, so this is because we do end dialogue, and then because this is here. So why are one of these nodes null? That's the other big thing. Okay, so push... So where do we actually get these nodes? So get node blah. Push back, time, next point, index, so end. If not end, print, debug, bad, endpoints. Next, patrol points, next point. Return. Okay, because that's the issue there. Okay, and also the other issue is the fact that this guy should be not, like, exiting to his schedule, because basically he's considering himself, or he was supposed to consider himself not following me, which is kind of dumb. Now... Yeah, okay. So we solved the quest. We solved the mystery. There's a spooky thing. And now he's back to where he was. So that there haven't been any new missing people, but there could still be more of those creatures yet. Okay, and then he has something about our mom. So he actually advances the main quest. Okay, so now, why is it... Oh, okay, I see. It's because it's 2 a.m. now. So as we get into, like, 2:30 a.m., it starts to get significantly lighter in this area. And I think I do kind of prefer the, like, lighter look. I'm also confused as to why the stars sometimes disappear. Like, if I set time to, like, 10... Like, the stars are supposed to be invisible now, so I think the bug is they aren't being updated properly as part of our visibility thing. Why wouldn't they be, though? What does it mean? I guess it really must be... Wait, what were the other bugs that I had in here? Oh yeah, Bolter. So, ability to make Bolter stand still without activating the schedule. But while I do that, let's look for the day-night. Because I think the issue is the stars being visible. Star brightness. Because, yeah, there should be a checkbox in here somewhere. I guess the confusion is, if it's 0, what? Yeah. So they should just be 0 and they should just be 1. I don't think there actually is any sort of back, or like, star visibility thing. Maybe. I think this is in environment settings. Hang on. Also, my leg was falling asleep, so I had to set my desk to standing mode. But okay. So, stars.visible equals brightness greater than 0. So, stars.material override.set shader param strength brittleness. Okay, so we have that. Show sun. Okay, so this is basically to override that. So why isn't this being set correctly? Because it should just set this anytime we set the star brightness. Like, so what is, like, what's the difference between the stars and this? Okay, thank you, Godot, for, like, not debugging the thing that I was debugging. Like, I would like to see this if statement that I've put the breakpoint on, Godot, game engine that I'm using to make the video game. I was hoping that the step forward button would step forward instead of stepping to wherever it wants to step to. Right, I shouldn't do this yet. I should only do it when it's doing wrong. Okay, what is this huge thing? Whatever. The nav meshes are also busted still. Okay, set time 10. So yeah, stars should not be visible. They have the exact same brightness that they did before. Jesus Christ, it still doesn't work. And the debugger broke. Okay, whatever. Just, you know what? What if I just played fucking Sea of Stars or something? Oh, and the engine crashed. You know what? This is now a Sea of Stars stream. I've been meaning to play it on stream, and this seems like a great time to do it. Jesus Christ, Steam. Okay, so this is going to be Sea of Stars. Striking while the iron is hot with 80 viewers. That'll be good. Okay, English. Yeah, that seems good. Okay, so all of this will be a mystery for another day. Because... Hang on. Close that. Because I also had a dog going ballistic outside. Okay, that's the wrong button.